Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today might be a quick one because we're going to be showing you how to replace the blades on my Philips Norelco 3000 series razor. I've now had this guy for about 3 years now, and I actually recently did a video on how to do the regular maintenance cleaning stuff on it to get your blades to last longer. Well, unfortunately, I went on a vacation and I checked this in my luggage. I got home, and I don't know if I have audio from before, but it doesn't sound good no more. It's really loud, and it doesn't cut as close. Let's see if I can get you a view of that. It's not cutting as close anymore. I don't know how well you can tell, but it's a little more fuzzy than what I'm used to. So I'm going to show you how to install these little replacement blades. Alright, so let's see what comes in our box here. We have 3 little replacement blades in a blister pack. Ooh, that's a tough piece of plastic here. Alright, and here are your replacement blades. We got our guard and then the blades themselves. Go ahead and pop this guy out. You can get a good look at it. Looks fairly similar to the old ones. Let's pop these guys out. To remove it, this whole thing can just lift up and out. And then you have your little arrows here. You'll go ahead and twist this, lift that up and off, and we can pop this guy out. Now we can compare our heads. They look almost identical. Look at that. The only big difference I'm noticing right now is that this one has tabs and this one doesn't. So hopefully that doesn't become an issue. Let's go ahead and just pop the other old ones out like that. See if we can get our new guys in here. Oh yeah. So these little wing, or the tabs, will go near the center of the frame. We can go like this, just like that. Then we'll go ahead and set our rack back on top, and then the arrows were pointing that way to loosen it. So we're going to go ahead and go righty-tighty to lock it in place, and then attach this here, and oh, listen to the difference. Oh my gosh! It's like new again. And so just for reference, I have my decibel meter so that you guys can tell that I'm not crazy. This is louder. 71 decibels. Alright, so let's go ahead and swap it out. That is a big difference, 10 decibels. Now's the moment of truth. We're gonna see if I just shaved today before this video and getting some scratchy, here, smooth skin, no hair. I hope you can hear that. So let's see if you can hear it. Oh yeah, it's getting closer. Listen to that. Satisfying. I can hear the difference. It's actually, I can hear it cutting the hairs on my head. So that means that it's getting closer too. There was something wrong with those blades. So if you're having issues with your razor and you don't feel like throwing it away, because let's be honest, everybody's money's getting a little tight these days. $25 investment for new blades, definitely worth it. I'll have a link to get this razor as well as these replacement blades if you'd like. I went 3 years on this razor alone doing my previous video. I did the tutorial on how to clean it and maintain it. That kept those blades for a long time. They do recommend that you replace these every 12 months, but if you do that cleaning procedure, I think you too can get 3 years of life out of this one like I did. Just don't throw it in your checked luggage. Maybe put it with your carry-on bag. If you want to get this razor or these replacement blades for yourself, I'll have links to it down in the description below, as well as a link to the previous video where I'm doing just a simple cleaning on this guy. Check those out down below. I am an Amazon affiliate, so using those links do help to support this channel with no additional cost to you. And at the time of filming this, I am so close to 3,000 subscribers. And to say thank you, I'm going to be hosting a giveaway. This will be run until the end of the year, December 31st, and you can get extra entries every single day that you enter. I'm going to be giving away 5 products that I've reviewed on this channel. This will be limited to the US just because I will be shipping it out myself, and names will be drawn in the new year. The gleam.io link will be down in the description of this video, and thank you so much for subscribing. Back to the video. Yeah, make sure that you enter that drawing. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think. Leave any questions and comments down in the comments section below. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.